mobile now. This W3 in particular, it signifies that I'm using the W3.CSS. I've introduced it already earlier with my links. So now anything I write using this W3 hyphen now, it just relates to that link upwards. And the link is here, W3.https.
That's line what?
That is line 12.
Okay.
That contains the link for my W3.CSS. So going downwards, anywhere you see my W3 hyphen, that just shows I'm referring to that link upwards, which then helps me to style what I'm doing with using the W3. For example, I want to use a green color now. I will now put that W3 hyphen green. That now makes that area that I've specified to be green now, using the W3.CSS. Then this W3 mobile, the reason why it's mobile here is so as to show the different sizes in which I want the website to be viewable in. For example, mobile now, so it can be easy for mobile phones and all of that. So you can showcase all the different things, all the different sizes in which you can view it in. So going downwards, these are all the parts of the body.
So take us to a web to new interface.
These are the codes and everything. So now we can go back to the interface. That this is the final outlook of everything. This is to showcase all the codes that I wrote down, about 140 something lines of codes. This is the outcome at the end. The grid boxes, the buttons, and the rest, the write-ups. So this is what is now viewable to the users.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Raymond. Thank you. Awesome.